To replace your cabinet doors or your hinges, it's important to know your cabinet overlay. Watch this short video to learn how easy it is to measure your cabinet overlay on your kitchen cabinets. Your cabinet overlay is the distance from the outside edge of your cabinet door to the inside edge of your cabinet frame when the door is closed. This measurement is very important when replacing your hinges, since hinge styles change over time, and you need to get the right hinge with the right amount of overlay. To get started making this simple measurement, you'll need just two things: a regular pencil that can be easily erased, and a simple measuring tool such as a ruler. Step 1. With the cabinet door closed, make a mark with the pencil on the outside edge of your cabinet frame, where the door meets the frame. Step 2. Open your cabinet door and measure from the mark that you made to the inside edge of the frame. Depending on your cabinet type and hinge, it may be easiest to remove the cabinet door. Then you can take an accurate measurement from your pencil mark to the inside edge of your frame. And that's it! Now you have your cabinet overlay measurement. This technique for measuring will work with virtually any hinge design or cabinet. And remember, if you have any questions or need help getting started, just give us a call or send us an email. We're always happy to help.